Have your clients add a photo or even better, a video to their review. A snap of the house they just bought or sold, or even better, a happy closing photo. I have yet to see a review with a photo get removed from Google. Welcome back, ambitious agents. Today, I have a very quick episode and tip about why your Google reviews keep disappearing and how to fix it. Let me tell you a story about reviews that changed everything for me personally. It was around March 2020, right when COVID hit hard. We had just gotten a St. Bernard puppy, and everyone was still in that don't go into each other's houses phase. My dad, bless his heart, is a total boomer. He came over to see my puppy and saw all the Amazon boxes in front of my house. Son, he said, you are shopping too much. I tried to explain, Dad, this is how everyone shops now, and all the stores are about to be closed. He just shook his head. I like to see and touch things before I buy them. I couldn't resist teasing him. Well, you still have an AOL email address, so fast forward a month later, and now I'm bringing my dog to his house. And what do I see? A bunch of Amazon boxes. My dad sheepishly admitted, oh, yeah, it's great. I can just see the review count and not even think. I just click purchase. And that's when it hit me like a ton of bricks. The average age of a home seller is now 60 years old in the US. 60 years old. And they're all really leaning into the review shopping for the first time. Our team had to win in this space. This realization has been our biggest driver for growth, and it's why we'll close nearly $200 million in volume this year. But here's the thing. Maintaining those crucial Google reviews isn't always smooth sailing. Our team at the Fox Homes team has over 1,706 five-star reviews, but we still get panic messages from our agents. Help. My client's review is visible on their end, but it's not showing up on our Google business profile. Does this sound familiar? Here's what's happening. Google's review filter is getting stricter. It's especially picky when clients leave reviews from out of state or while they're on vacation. So this happens a lot. Like you're helping a client close a transaction. They're really busy. They're not going to leave the review while they're packing up their house. They move out of state, and now their location showing in Texas, but they're leaving your business in, say, Fairfax, Virginia, a review. So that's going to flag the Google algorithm. So Google flags this as a potentially fake activity, but don't worry, I've got a trick that almost guarantees your reviews will stick around and get them more noticed. Have your clients add a photo or even better, a video to their review, or a snap of the house they just bought or sold, or even better, a happy closing photo. I have yet to see a review with a photo get removed from Google. This strategy has a bonus effect. When potential clients are scrolling through your reviews, say they search realtors near me, and then they see your profile and they scroll through the reviews, which do you think will catch their eye? Plain text reviews on other agents' pages, or a bunch of smiling faces in front of sold signs? Or better yet, a video of your clients popping the celebratory champagne or confetti. Plus, Google often pushes these photo reviews to the top. It's a win-win. For camera-shy clients, use a front exterior shot from the walkthrough, like you're doing your final walkthrough. Just take a quick photo of the house or take a photo of them signing, whatever. But a pro tip, once you take that photo, you're going to want to airdrop it if you're Apple, or just email it to yourself. So you can change the file name of the photo to something like Best Realtor in Fairfax, or Best Realtor in Los Angeles, or Realtors Near Me, because you want that extra little SEO juice when they add it. So, but even with all of these tricks, sometimes reviews still disappear, but don't panic. Here is a step-by-step guide to recover them, and you're going to be able to see these in the Now BAM article that's in the show notes. But number one, you're going to go to your Google Business Profile Help Center. Number two, you're going to log in with your Google Business associated Google account. And number three, when asked what you need help with, you're going to type missing reviews. And then number four, click through until you hit contact options and then hit email. Number five, fill out the form that pops up, include screenshots of the missing review in a Google Doc, and link it in the describe your issue section. Google usually takes about 5 to 7 business days to respond, and they don't always reinstate every review, but it's worth trying. Remember, persistence is key in this review game. Keep encouraging those photo reviews and don't be afraid to fight for the ones that slip through the cracks. With these strategies, you'll master the art of Google reviews in no time. And as a little side note, for any of you that are doing Google local service ads, those are the ads when you search realtors near me, it says Google sponsored or Google screened at the top. They've now, the Google Ads liaison on X just recently, as of 2 days ago, has sent out a message saying adding photos to your Google local service profile will increase your ranking and put your profile higher. So when you go into your inbox for Google local service ads, there's a profile and budget section. When you click on that, it'll give you the option to add photos. You want to have at least 5 in there, but the more, the better to get your profile ranking higher. But if you want more insights like this, check out my book, 6 Weeks to Real Estate Success. It's in the show notes. It's available now on Amazon. It's packed with tips to help you thrive in today's real estate market. Now, go get those reviews and grow your business.